Hey, my friend DK here. Welcome back to the channel and to this myEcon 2025 Success Stories playlist. Hopefully, this is not your first time here, but if it is, link in the description down below to get to this playlist so you can see all of these success stories that we are sharing here. People that are getting actual real results in their myEcon business right here, right now in 2025. And I'm showing you two things in every single video: what they're doing and how they are doing it. And I'm walking you through that so you could see it for yourself. You could see how simple it is inside of myEcon to go generate leads and sales on a consistent basis. Now, without further ado, let's dive into today's success story, and that is Misty. Now, I'm going to head right on over here. I'm going to move my mug out of the way so you can see her. Misty is an EVP Gold. And I'm going to show you, this is going to be a pretty simple and straightforward story here. And a lot of the other videos that I've shown you guys here in this playlist, I've shown you, a lot of the things that most people, well, let's just call it what it is. Most people are not willing to go do, which is to create a lot of video content. I know some of you guys are, you're introverts, you're shy, you don't want to get on camera, insert excuse here, whatever, right? What's really cool about what Misty is doing right now is she is just proof in the pudding that, this is our results Facebook group right here. If you want access to this Facebook group, comment the words Facebook group down below. I will give you the link. I will invite you right here, and you can come check out all the results that I'm sharing with you. Most of these people right here that are getting these great results are posting right here in our Facebook group, so you could see the social proof for yourself. But here's a post from Misty right here. Literally, 4 sales in a single week. Now, what did she do to get those 4 sales? What is she doing? How is she doing it? I'm going to walk you through that process right now. Okay, so first and foremost, Misty plugged into our team training site. Now, I've gone over this with you in the past. Okay, she plugged into our team training site. She went right here. She got into our team Facebook group. In our Facebook group, we go live 5 times per week, and we specifically showcase every single Tuesday how to invite leads to our weekly team webinars. Okay, how to invite leads to our weekly team webinars. We even have that right here inside of our vault. Our vault is where all of our content is, all of our training documents, all of the videos that you can use to clone and copy and make your own version of. So as an example, anybody could do this. You open up our vault and you can see right here, it says pre and post webinar. We show you specifically, here's some videos that you can use for yourself. There's speaking videos, non-speaking videos, faceless videos, all that. And we even give you a document, how to get leads onto the webinars. And in that document is exactly what to say, how to say it, how do you talk to your lead, before the webinar, during the webinar, post webinar, all of that information. So as an example, Misty joined into one of our live trainings where we showed her in our Facebook group, our other Facebook group, where we do all the live training and teaching and coaching and motivating and educating, all of those things. And we said, hey, go do this post. So exactly what Misty did is what she's kind of talking about right here. Is she on her Facebook profile, and you can see it right here. It's not a big surprise. Okay, again, no secrets here with these videos. I'm showing you all these people that are getting results, making sales in their myEcon business, what they're doing and how they're doing it. So posts literally just like this. Okay, remote work now open in 2025. Okay, you can see right here, 32 comments, people commenting for more info, because these posts are super simple and super easy to use. Now, when people comment on her posts, it's really, really simple. When people comment on her posts, she's literally following these formulas that we have inside of our training documents. We tell you how to reply, what to say, when to say it, and all of that. We make it really simple and easy for you. And here's what's also really cool about what Misty's doing. What makes this a little bit different from some of the other people, that are here on this playlist that you can see. Most of these people here, not all, but most of these people that I'm showcasing in all of these videos are using video content, video marketing, things like Instagram and TikTok and Facebook and YouTube. Okay. What's really cool about what Misty is doing, okay, is she's just using Facebook posts. That's it. There's no other short form videos here on her main Facebook profile. She's just using posts. So I want you to think about how simple that really is, okay? She's using simple posts that she's learning how to do in our team training site, in our Facebook group during our live training. And by the way, you can watch the live replays anytime you want because you go down here to our bonuses section and it says live weekly trainings. And then boom, you can watch the live trainings all on your schedule. Just like Netflix or Hulu, you can binge watch those whenever you want. Okay. So Misty learns how to post on Facebook because of our live trainings. Okay. She has the documents, anything that she needs to clone. Okay. She has this document here. So when people reply to her posts, she knows exactly what to say and how to say it. She invites people to our live weekly webinars where we do the presenting, selling, and telling for you. That's all this post does. And that's all that this document talks about is how to invite people to our live weekly webinars. You invite your leads there. We close the sales for you. And that's literally exactly what she's saying right here. Okay. Look at this. Ready? I sent them a webinar replay. So instead of sending them to the live webinar, she's sending them to the webinar replay. And I closed 4 sales this week so far. It's not rocket science, guys. It's really not rocket science. She's using this document right here. She's posting. When people are replying, she's inviting them to watch the webinar or the webinar replay, and she is closing sales. That's it. And she learned all of that right here in our funnel team marketing and training system. It's as simple as that. All this stuff, everything that I'm sharing with you throughout this entire playlist is very simple. You just have to go do it. That's it. Okay. Misty is a mom, you know, she's got a family. She does her thing. I believe she has a job, you know, and she literally just does simple Facebook posts. No videos, no worrying about putting your face on camera, no worrying about any of that stuff. Just simple, basic posts. And we teach you and show you exactly how to do these posts and then what to say. So when people are commenting on your post and you're getting people interested in your myEcon business, we tell you exactly what to say and how to say it. Guys, you can't mess this up. You literally cannot mess this up. Okay. And we're going to give you all of it right here. You're going to know everything that you need to do. Okay. Just like all of these other people here that are getting results in their myEcon business right here, right now in 2025. And you could be doing the same exact thing. You just have to get started. And by the way, if you want to get started, if you're ready to get started because you're sick and tired of watching all these damn videos and you're ready for you to start making sales and making weekly commissions, link in the description down below. Click on it. I dare you. Go ahead. Get started. I don't care what level you come in at. Just get started, my friend. Action cures fear. If you want to get right here to this playlist, that link is also in the description down below. If you want to see my full overview and tutorial and see how you get over $11,000 just for activating, I'm not going to give you $11,000 literally. I'm going to give you $11,000 in free value, which is your entire done-for-you marketing system, everything you need to get out there and go crush it right now in 2025 with myEcon. That link is also in the description down below. Lots of links down there. Go check them out. But take action, my friend. Get started. Stop doubting. Stop hesitating. Stop procrastinating and believe in yourself. Okay? By the way, if you made it to this point in the video, I appreciate you. Thank you. You are freaking awesome. Go ahead, and if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. It's a little button down there. It says subscribe. Hit it. I dare you. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I upload new videos here to this playlist or on my channel. You will be the first to know. Thank you for watching, my friend. Get started. Don't hesitate. I'll see you, hopefully, on the inside in just a few minutes. Take care.